to Red Lipstick. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite winter lipsticks. So these are all the lipsticks that I love wearing for the colder months. Most of them are quite dark in shade and just really great for the holiday season. So I wanted to share them with you just so you could see what they look like on pale skin in case you were interested. And yeah, let's get on into it. So the one that's on my lips right now is MAC Diva. This is an absolutely beautiful matte formula deep red. It has that wonderful vanilla scent, which I absolutely love. And it does kind of stain the lips throughout the day. So if you're wearing this for a long period of time, you will have kind of like a pinky stain at the end of the day once it wears off. So I absolutely love that. This is only one of 2 bullet lipsticks that I have in this video because I tend to only wear liquid lipsticks. But if I'm gonna go for a bullet lipstick, it's gonna be this one because I just love the shade of it, and the formula is absolutely beautiful, nice and creamy, and it lasts a really long time. So this next one is the other bullet lipstick that I have. It's very similar to Diva, except it's more of like a burgundy type of color, almost blue-based type of red. This is the Burberry lipstick in number 437. It's their Oxblood Lip Velvet. This one is another one where the formula is just beautiful. It's nice and creamy. It also stains the lips, so you will have that leftover residual kind of stain once it wears off. Very, very comfortable. It never bleeds outside my lip line. I just love the shade of it as well. This one is a little bit more, I don't know, a little bit more festive, I guess. Really makes the teeth look white and beautiful. So I'm a huge fan of this one, and those are my only 2 bullet lipsticks that I'm going to be sharing in this video. So please don't mind the terrible application job. It's going to get worse and worse as I go. But this next one is a Marc Jacobs, I don't know what these are called. LeMarc Liquid Lip Cream Rouge liquid lipstick. So this is actually not a long wearing liquid lipstick like the rest of them I'll be showing you. This is just a normal liquid lip. So it's matte, but it just doesn't have that long wearingness to it. It's very similar to a bullet lipstick. But I absolutely love the tone of this. This is in the shade Hot Cocoa. A beautiful, nice, warm brown. It goes so well with so many neutral and warm looks. I really love the way that this looks. It does remind me of Hot Cocoa, so that's why I really feel like it's a great wintry one. And it's a nice brown. Like a lot of the time browns on me are way too dark. They look too cool toned and make me look dead. So I really love the shade of this one. So this next one is a liquid lipstick from Ofta, and this is one of the very few almost pinky red type of shades that I really enjoy. And this is actually Havana Nights from Ofta and collab with Kathleen Lights. So I think it's absolutely beautiful shade. It looks so beautiful for holiday type of looks, for Christmas type of things, holiday parties, anything like that. It's a beautiful, beautiful deep red shade, and I absolutely love it. It's got a little bit of a pink undertone, so you do have to build it up to get it to look like this. This is 2 coats of this. If I just put 1 coat on, it's kind of like a pinky red, which I'm not a huge fan of. But like once you build it up, it gives this beautiful deep red color. I absolutely love it, and I think it's so beautiful for the holidays. Okay, these next 2 that I have to show you are from Kat Von D, and this first one is the shade Plath, and I absolutely love like these pretty chocolatey kind of colors that are nice and warm. Again, reminds me of Hot Cocoa, so I think it's perfect for winter time. It's not, again, it's not like one of those really cool tone browns that make you look like you're dead, or you have freezing cold lips. I absolutely love this shade of brown. It's really, really pretty. And I get so many compliments on this one when I wear it. Even my husband said to me when it started to fade off of my lips, he even said, "What happened to your lipstick?" I really liked that one, and he generally never says anything about my lipstick. So this is a really, really pretty chocolatey shade. This next Kat Von D one is my personal favorite. This is Hawkwind. I think this is such a beautiful, more red-based brown. I really like this. If you're not looking for such a like bright red, but yet you want kind of like a terracotta red, this kind of looks like that. It's a really beautiful dark terracotta red, and so you can pull off red lips without actually wearing like a full-on red. I think it's a really beautiful shade. It is one of my favorite ones to wear in the winter time. It just goes with everything. It's a nice neutral kind of red and goes with a lot of different eye looks, so I love this one. This next one is a full True-On Holiday Bright Red from Jeffree Star. This is his shade in Wifey. This is an absolutely beautiful, what I think of when I think of holiday red. I absolutely love this. It's a lot more stark and vibrant than some of his other colors. He's got a lot of reds in his collection. Unicorn Blood is another one that I toyed with putting in this video, but it's so similar to Havana Nights. But Unicorn Blood is a lot darker. Then he's got Anna Nicole, which is actually a little bit more on the orange red side. He's got Red Rum, which is a little bit darker than this. So this is one of those typical bright reds. So that's just kind of a lowdown of his kind of collection and the different shades. But I think if you're going for a holiday red, definitely choose Wifey. So this next shade is another one from Jeffree Star, and it's looking quite bright on camera, but it is kind of a rusty orange shade. This one I wore a ton in October and November around Halloween and Thanksgiving. Just such a beautiful, deeper orange shade that just looks really, really pretty. It does have some glitter in it, but when you put it on the lips, I don't really see it. I really like how it's nice and harvesty kind of a color. I do wear this in the other colder months of winter as well, not just October and November. I do wear this later in the month because it's just a really nice dark orange, and it just looks so pretty with all different kinds of like warmer eye looks. It's such a beautiful shade. So the last two lipsticks that I have to show you are from AOA Studios, and this first one here is actually a metallic lip, but I don't feel like it looks that metallic-y. I never wear metallic lips, so this is really kind of out of my comfort zone for me, but I don't feel like it looks like a metallic lip. This is from AOA. It's their AOA Studio Wonder Metal liquid lipsticks in the shade Unicorn. I think it's such a beautiful purple. I love deep purples for wintertime, deep berries, things like that. I think that this is a beautiful, fun shade for a party because it is a metallic lip, but it looks, again, like it just doesn't look like a metallic lip, so you could really wear it with anything. I just think it's so super pretty, and I love the formula of these. They're only $1. I definitely recommend them big time. And then last but not least is another one from AOA Studio. This is a nice dark berry shade in Drama. I love this one. This is one of my favorite ones for wintertime. Just that perfect deep berry shade that's just so pretty in the colder winter months. And this one again is only $1. I think it's on my teeth. Don't mind me. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful to see some of my favorite winter lipsticks. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.